Why am I shorts or?
Ate up. Like your booty ate up your shorts.
Why did it say it was a pack of 2 and only 1 came? And this was $17. I could see if I got a pack of 2 for $14, but 1? Ready to go, Papa? You scared? You scared? You ready to go, Mommy? You scared? Hi guys, so it's another weekly vlog. Since I'm home, I have a bunch of packages that I need to open, so I thought I would just do a unboxing on camera. Please excuse my voice. My throat is hurting. I'm currently living on throat spray. So, first bag is from Old Navy. If you guys watch my vlog video of when I was in Pennsylvania, I actually went into Old Navy for these, but they didn't have them in store. So I ended up buying a different version, which I also like, but I wanted these. And this is how it looks. It's like a cross between sweatpants and work pants, but a little bit more elevated. And I got it in black and this brown color. I'm gonna show you guys like a full try-on haul of everything that I got from Old Navy, so don't worry. And then this. And everything I got is in medium. This is the high-rise wide leg parasol in medium. So I got those 2, and they feel really soft, I must say. So when I was in Pennsylvania, I ordered some stuff on Amazon, and I forgot to switch the address from my home address to my mom's address, and some of this stuff needs to go back. So this is stuff from Amazon. This is the Xcode Tips 2-in-1. I actually have these on now. I like them a lot. These actually fit my fingers. Sometimes with press-on, I find that it's hard for me to find press-ons that fit these 2 fingers right here. And these actually do, and they're in like a nice nudie color, which I love. That's gonna be staying. These are my favorite lashes. I'm going to be staying. This, I'm going to check if it works. If it don't, both of them are going back. This is the one that I ordered when I was in Pennsylvania. It didn't work. I'm sending it back. And this and this is going back. Because I ordered stuff to the house that was supposed to be sent to Mom's house. Unboxing.
Why your shorts?
Why am I shorts or?
Ate up. Like your booty ate up your shorts.
Such is life.
Yeah.
Mid-video, I'm unboxing all the
You're
stuff.
filming?
Yes.
Where's the video?
The camera is right.
Oh. Babe, you better edit me out. Like
Babe, shut up. Me not edit you out, I know.
No, babe, edit me out, please.
Yeah. And I got these Kiss nail glue to test them out. I'm gonna keep those because I left the ones that I got at Mom's house. Some of the duplicates that I got is definitely going back to Amazon. I want to see. This is duplicates going back. And I bought a travel size. So this is the old version. This is the spray version.
And then I also have this one. And I have
and I got this from Amazon. So cute. This is off the picture we took on Mother's Day. It looks so good. I'm gonna link on Amazon where I got it.
I want to run this bus, and Mommy, this bus is mine.
That box is yours? Okay. And before I go, my mom actually gifted me this before I left because I love candles. And this is mahogany teak wood. And this is from Bath and Body Works. This smells absolutely amazing. So I'll see you when I try on all the stuff that I got from Old Navy. But I also did a little shower reorganization and I got these from Amazon. I'm so glad I got these. That's the thing that I had in here. It goes underneath the shower. I had one of those things that go underneath the shower and all my stuff would get wet. All my stuff would get wet in the shower because it was directly underneath the shower head. So now I have space. I have everything organized where I need it and want it and like it a lot. And I also got a new shower curtain, which I like. But that's what I've been doing, really. I haven't been doing anything. I just got some packages I need to open. So. And babe also switched out all the lights in here. So in here it's super bright now. I actually got Miss Milani got her Halloween costume yesterday, and I got these pants. These are my Signed by Blake pants. I'm trying to get the perfect like loose slack pants because my dressing is evolving and changing. And while I like Shein, I find that I like better quality stuff now. So I've been doing a whole overhaul of like basics in my wardrobe, and I'm also trying to get away from sweatpants and sweatshorts because I wear a lot of those, or elevating my sweatpants and sweatshorts to better quality, better fabric and stuff like that. And they said the equivalent to a sweatpants is like slacks. So this is from Amazon, this is from The Drop, and this is from Signed by Blake. And it was originally $52 something, $52 or $56. I got it on sale for $22. I need to try it on. I got it in a large. Let's see. Is it a large? Yes, I got it in a large. This is Kai's outfit. I'll let him, you guys will see tomorrow, because tomorrow is when all the Halloween stuff is coming. And I also got these two lights. So these two lights are for the bedroom. So we have nice overhead lights, which I'm going to change, but babe actually fixed the overhead lights. But I want to switch these lights out. So And the reason why I got these lights are because they come with a remote, and I want it to be remote controlled. These ones in here, but because they work just fine. And it comes with 2 batteries, 2 of these. I don't know why. I wish it had come with 1. And this is the color changing light bulb, so let's see. So it's finally starting to do it. So green, blue, red. It's giving. And then this is the dimmer. I love that. This is the big reason why I got it, because of the dimmer. So I finally got both of them to sync to one remote, and I like that a lot. So red. Nice. So our damn curtain rod fell down, but it's cool because I was gonna switch out our curtain rod anyways. But I gotta show you guys what I got. You guys already seen this picture, but I got this vase from Amazon. And why did it say it was a pack of 2 and only 1 came? And this was $17. I could see if I got a pack of 2 for $14, but one for $17 is, it's cute, but it's not worth the price. But if you want to pay the price, pay the price. But that's what I've been doing. I've been doing little things around the house. So for example, what happened? So the girlie said we shouldn't keep our perfumes in the bathroom, and that's where I was keeping my perfume. So I had to take them out. And then I got this accessory holders thing from Amazon also. I think it was $6. It was well worth the $6. So, and I bought something to put the perfume on. So today is trick-or-treating day. Officially Halloween. Papa. Hi. Baby, I'm battery right now.
I don't want everybody to see me.
Hey, Mom.
In my battery rider.
That's Kai. He's Spider-Man this year. And that's Magani. They look nice.
I thought you got a basket.
But yeah, we're leaving. I'll vlog from my phone. go, Papa? You scared? You scared? You ready to go, Mommy? You scared? You're fine, Mommy. Yeah.
You okay, mommy?
You're fine. So we're back home. The kids have fun. Milani cried, as you could hear, in the haunted house. Babe was freaking out. Anxiety kicked in. So we're back home, having a drink. I'll see you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section. I'm probably gonna end this video here.